Last week, a Chinese AI company, DeepSeek, shocked the world, and big tech is shaking. Their new AI models, Janus Pro and R1, have sent ripples across the industry, outperforming giants like OpenAI's GPT-4, Google's Gemini, and Anthropic's Claude, all while costing a tiny fraction of what Silicon Valley is spending. And the craziest part? DeepSeek's AI models are open source. NVIDIA stock plummeted, tech investors panicked, and the US government took notice. But how did this small company disrupt the entire AI landscape? Let's break it down. DeepSeek's AI revolution. Just days ago, DeepSeek released Janus Pro, a multimodal AI that claims to outperform OpenAI's DALL-E 3, Meta's Emu 3, and Google's PixArt Alpha on major AI benchmarks like Genival and DPG Bench. Its flagship model, Janus Pro 7B, supposedly beats these well-known models in image generation, text processing, and even complex reasoning. And here's the kicker. It's completely open source, available on Hugging Face for anyone to download and experiment with. Meanwhile, DeepSeek's R1 language model stunned the industry by matching OpenAI's GPT-4 performance, but at a fraction of the cost. OpenAI, Google, and Meta have spent billions training their AI models, yet DeepSeek developed R1 for only $5 to $6 million. That's not just impressive, it's game-changing. How did they do it? The US has strict export controls limiting China's access to high-end NVIDIA AI chips. Yet DeepSeek still managed to train its models using NVIDIA's H800 GPUs, which are technically less powerful than the restricted A100 and H100 chips. Despite this, DeepSeek achieved GPT-4-like results, proving that massive budgets and top-tier chips might not be necessary for world-class AI development. And that terrifies Silicon Valley. DeepSeek's AI goes viral. Just days after its launch, DeepSeek's AI assistant app skyrocketed to #1 on the US Apple App Store, even beating ChatGPT. But right at the peak of its success, DeepSeek suffered a cyber attack, forcing them to limit new user registrations. Coincidence? Maybe. But the hype is real. The stock market meltdown investors were quick to react. As news of DeepSeek's low-cost AI breakthrough spread, NVIDIA's stock took a massive hit, reportedly wiping out hundreds of billions of dollars in market value. Why? Because if AI labs can train cutting-edge models without relying on NVIDIA's most expensive chips, the entire AI investment strategy could be flawed. Big Tech's response. Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, responded on social media, acknowledging DeepSeek's achievement, but doubling down on OpenAI's commitment to spending even more on computing power. Meta, Google, and Microsoft also remain focused on scaling AI for billions of users, insisting that high-end infrastructure is still necessary for deployment at scale. But DeepSeek's success raises a huge question. Is AI development actually cheaper than we thought? What's next? With DeepSeek proving that smaller, agile teams can build world-class AI without billion-dollar budgets, the entire AI landscape is shifting. Will this force OpenAI, Google, and Meta to rethink their spending strategies? Will open-source AI models like Janus Pro lead the next big wave of innovation? Or is this just a temporary disruption before big tech regains control? One thing's for sure. DeepSeek's rise is a reality check for the AI industry, and the ripple effects are just beginning. What do you think? Is this the start of a new AI era led by smaller players? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI updates. See you in the next one.